32-inch wall-mount vape vending machine. Save space, save money, and get more flexible. 32-inch HD touch screen. Support ad split screen. Attract customers and increase ad revenue. Equipped with 5 layers of spiral slots, 2 cargo lanes on each layer. Each cargo lane can be placed 10 products. The size of the cargo lane can be customized. The payment method can be customized, supporting payment methods such as credit card, scan code, banknotes and coins. The machine can be used independently, or the machine base can be customized.